Day 1. Introduction to Gratitude. What is gratitude and why is it powerful? Welcome to the first day of our journey into gratitude. Before we begin our meditation, let's take a moment to reflect on what gratitude truly means and why it's such a transformative force in our lives. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a profound appreciation for the gifts life offers us, whether big or small. This could be the warmth of the sun, the presence of a loved one, or even the breath in our lungs. When we practice gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what is abundantly present. This shift doesn't just make us feel better, it deepens our connection to life, enhances our relationships, and can even lead to improved health by reducing stress and fostering a positive outlook. Now, let's transition into our meditation. Find a comfortable seated position in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and begin by taking a few deep cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. As you settle into a natural rhythm of breathing, start to bring your attention to the things you're thankful for. With each inhale, imagine drawing in the positive energy of gratitude. Think of something specific that you appreciate in your life right now. It could be as simple as this moment of peace. Hold that thought as you pause your breath at the top of the inhale. In this space, bask in the warmth of gratitude. Feel it filling up every part of your being, lighting you up from the inside. As you exhale, imagine sending this feeling of gratitude out into the world. With each breath out, you're sharing a little bit of the joy and abundance you feel. Continue this pattern for several minutes, inhaling gratitude, holding it, and exhaling it back into the world. Each breath deepens your sense of appreciation. Each moment makes you more aware of life's blessings. As we come to the end of this meditation, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day. Try to notice small joys and give thanks for them. Remember, the more gratitude you express, the more you'll find things to be grateful for.